Hi, this is Dr. Epitropoulos. I'm hoping you're having a great day today on Monday, the 29th of May. I wanted to show you my new chiropractic adjusting table. It's a really special table because it has all the draw pieces and it has a tractioning ability of the lower back. As many of you, as I reminded you, I've been practicing chiropractic now for well over 35 years. And we offer chiropractic in our office. And it's part of our multiple approach tools that we use, from the chiropractic to the functional medicine to microcurrent therapy, acupuncture. So the chiropractic part is a special important part of your wellness care, because in order get you to get your body healing better, we have to determine what is out of alignment in the spine, because the spine controls the ability of the brain to send its signals to the rest of the body. When something is out of alignment, it interferes with that ability, and that organ that's affected by that nerve transmission from the brain does not function as well as it could. So by removing that nerve interference, allows your body to heal a lot better, more efficiently. So we do just that. We determine the misalignment and adjust it. And I have a special type of adjusting that I do. It's my own that I've developed over the years, which specializes or focuses on the muscles that pull the bone out of alignment. I work on those first, and then I adjust that area that's indicated, involved, in a gentle way. And it does produce great results. So if you'd like to experiencing my adjusting techniques and my chiropractic care, give us a call at 386-274-2520. Make chiropractic a big part of your wellness care. If you're already receiving the functional medicine from me, then let's add that chiropractic care into the picture, and you're going to be pleased when you do that. So this is Dr. Michael Epitropoulos, wishing you a very, very blessed day.